Dear viewers, you are my greatest inspiration. You have supported me all these years. Your kind words of appreciation motivate me to keep making more videos. Welcome to my Atomic and Molecular Chemistry video lesson series on my online video tutorial channel. Here is your ready exam answer paper, presenting a succinct overview of major contributions, key postulates, drawbacks, impact, as well as comparative analyses of the primary atomic theories in the history of physics research. Physics recognizes several key historic atomic models that were built upon sets of distinctive key concepts. Emergence of new discoveries, such as electrons, nucleus, quantum mechanics, progressively enriched the perception of atomic structure. The current modern model is the most complex as well as accurate. 5 primary models represent the fundamental phases of the atomic structure hypotheses in physics and chemistry. None of them were irrefutable. The objective of each atomic model was to accurately represent all the experimental evidences in the most comprehensible way possible. The 5 key historic atomic models were, in fact, oversimplification of the true nature of the atom. This model, proposed by John Dalton in the early 19th century, was foundational. It was later superseded by Professor J. Thomson with the discovery of electron in 1897. In Dalton's billiard ball atomic model, atoms are described as tiny, solid, indivisible, and indestructible spheres, like billiard balls. In 1804, John Dalton devised the first full set of rules that presents the concept of atom, which constitutes all the substances in the world. Although flawed, that was the dawn of modern chemistry. Here are the major drawbacks of Dalton's original theory. The Thomson atomic model, proposed by Professor J. Thomson in 1904, was one of the earliest theoretical descriptions of the inner structure. Following his historic discovery of electrons in 1897 and his famous cathode ray experiment, J. Thomson developed this concept, that atomic structure resembles the classic English dessert plum pudding. In this model, atom is perceived as a pudding, or sphere-shaped jello-like substance of uniformly distributed diffuse positive charges, where somewhat mobile negatively charged electrons are scattered throughout and embedded like plums within a pudding. It resembles also watermelon, where the positive charge is the red juicy edible part of the watermelon, and electrons are the seeds. Thomson's Plum pudding model helped explain certain observations at the time, such as why atoms are electrically neutral, why cathode rays were negatively charged. Thomson's atomic model also provided insights into a preliminary theoretical version of the atomic structure. Limitations and drawbacks in Thomson's atomic model were eventually overcome by further research and experiments. It was superseded by Ernest Rutherford's nuclear model in 1911, following the famous gold foil experiment. Rutherford's atomic model was an undeniably groundbreaking chapter. However, it was far from irrefutable, and possessed several critical flaws based on classical electromagnetic theory. Rutherford postulated the unprecedented nuclear structure of atom. Rutherford's model dramatically transformed the perception of atomic structure and laid the keystone for future advancements. This model is acclaimed as the historically paramount indispensable stepstone in atomic research, a substantial leap from plum pudding. This model not only highlights the complex nature of matter, but also inspires the exploration of diverse perspectives of atomic structure. Danish physicist Niels Bohr incorporated quantum theory and supplanted Rutherford model in terms of atomic stability and the discrete line spectra. This model is a radical departure from earlier classical descriptions and predecessor of solely quantum mechanical models. Here let's use an analogy, if I may. Bohr's idea of restricted allowed shells or stationary states and quantized values are like using a ladder or a staircase, instead of a continuous ramp up and down. Niels Bohr incorporated quantum theory and scrutinized the plausibility of the Rutherford model. Since Niels Bohr improved Rutherford's model, this model is referred to as the composite Bohr-Rutherford model. This led to a modification known as the Bohr-Rutherford model of atomic structure that revolutionized the field of atomic physics. Even though scientists have continued to fine-tune the theory, Bohr-Rutherford model retained its status. Rutherford introduced the basal planetary analogy, but Bohr made it scientifically feasible and practicable by certain crucial refinements. Bohr model is, in fact, a quantum version of the planetary concept. Even though Bohr's model successfully resolved certain major issues, it however suffered serious setbacks, as it lacked the necessary and desired complete complex comprehensive view. Later the newer model devised orbitals, replacing orbits, provided by quantum mechanics.
Ready lecture notes and study materials are available on request. Please use the comment section below for further academic discussions. Viewers' suggestions and ideas of new video lesson topics are gratefully appreciated. Stay tuned for more uploads. Please remember to like, subscribe, share.